Hi, so let me show you how this works. Here is a login and it has several options for a manager as a owner of the website, users and agent. So if you log in with the username manager, um, you will be able to see different features than if you log in with the other username. So let me show you actually. So this is let's try user one. So user one can see these features: freight input, freight info, share files, my invoice, track shipment. So if they wanna submit some of their information, or you can do that for them, they're gonna use this part. But let's start from the manager point of view. So we are logging as a manager of the account. So this credential can be for several people. So for managers, the most important here is actually to see freight input, invoice, to share files if they want with the clients, okay, to check shipment as well, newsletter and user manager. These icons, as you can see here, are related with this menu. So either way, if you click here to freight manager, you're gonna be prompted to this page, or if you click here you're gonna see the same information. So the same thing with the invoice system. If you click here, so this icon can be useful. I mean, someone would prefer to use icons or tabs, however it's the same point. So for freight manager, let's start from the beginning. For the freight manager, people can come here and to see their submission, and you can edit it as well if you click one of these. Let's say if you want to search per name or name of the city, this will search the database and show you actually more information about this submission. Here you can definitely change these tabs. Here you can edit if some new information comes down. People can upload their images of the unit, car or motorcycle. So that's about Freight Manager, to manage actually information of submission or to edit. On the other hand, the users also seeing just their information. Invoice part, it's invoice where you can actually create invoice for your customers. So here is an example. If you wanna, you can even duplicate this invoice. Let's try to do this. That's easier way to recreate. In order to see how user will see or how they can pay, you can click here. You can put your logo, name of the company. You can change this information as well. And this is information of the billing as a customer. So if they can pay online or offline. So if they want to pay online, they can click here. They can use bank transfer or PayPal or credit card information when it's connected with the bank, etc. So more about invoice and how to create, you can explore here. New, you can type the name of the user, or you can find if you already have existing user, let's say Branko. So some people are popping up here. You can select, and that's how you can add them here as well. Invoicer, you can use information of your company. Invoice details, you can select status, paid, pending, partially paid, refund, and invoice date. You can choose the template. So it's this view can be actually different. Depends on the template that you would like to use for invoice. So here is a tab to publish. Start publishing. You don't need to use it because invoice should be automatically published. Items, you can add items here, and you can search later on for some items that you already use. So let's say if you have some fixed fee like paperwork or a custom fee, you can add here and just pull out product from this part. Payments, currency, you can set up that this option that automatically takes money from particular account. Quotes, so let's use this save and close. You'll have a summary of all invoices here. So other option, you can set up quotes of payments. Contact, you can add contact by adding like this. Actually, you have to add in order to start searching. Taxes, you can set up taxes here. So let's try this. Name, California tax, percentage, static, maybe 7%. So that's how you create, or 8% tax. Actually, it should be percentage. And I think it's much higher in California, maybe 14. Okay, templates. This is the templates how your invoice would you like to look like. So here is more information or an option: payment received, pending payment. Products, you can add a list of the products here that you would like to use for your customers. Payments option, this can be integrated with other payments method. So this is about invoice. It's a nice feature. Play around. If you have any question, let me know. You can send easily to your customer by just selecting and clicking to send. Or if you want to see more about invoice, you can do this as well. So this is invoicing system. Share files, it's a system that will be used to share files between customers. So you can upload, download files from here. Track shipments, so it's mainly used for customers. They can track their shipments. From this page, newsletter, it's a feature that can allow you to add and play around with your users. So here is all users from the database that we got. It's many of them. Let's try to pull out some of them. You can see how it looks like. So you can create a newsletter. Newsletter, you should click here. Actually, you can choose one of the template and modify it for your needs. So let's try technology. So this is a email template that you can set up. So you can put your title, subtitle, image of the products, links to your website, and social media icons and other things. So you can send test option, you can create groups, statistic to check who actually received or haven't received, open or non-open the email. So this is about the newsletter. You can add filters as well. So this is about the newsletter system, statistic. However, play around, try it. User Manager, it's a core database of the Joomla platform where you can use Let's pull out someone. So you can use this extension to, let's try Branko village if it exists. Okay, so here's the guy. You can click here. So you can assign different group to a user. Oops, we have many groups here, but we will delete. So it can be a manager, agent, editor, publisher. So it's a nice option to change different level of access. This is pretty much it about the manager access. So if you log out and log in with, let's say, user 1, so user can add inputs here. They can attach their images. Put their information they would like to send. Here they will be able to get info what they submitted. Here my invoices, they can see the payments, what they paid, or quotes. Here they will be able to check the information. Share files. It's also about the sharing information. Okay, this is it. Let me send you this video so you can review, try, play around. If you have any question, let me know.